back to my channel. I really should be saying welcome back to myself because it's been a hot minute since I uploaded a video. However, I'm back like I never left, and today we're going to be unboxing a package from Heritage as well as using some of their clip-ins. I'm actually super excited to try these clip-ins just because, you know, I really want to try something new. So if you are interested in that, keep on watching. While you're here, please subscribe to my channel, click the little bell so you can get a notification when I upload a video. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Troppy Curly. Let's get into the video. Alright, so hey, today we're going to be unboxing this box. Each pack of curly clip-ins comes with 8 pieces. So with the 2 bundles that I received, I have 16 pieces to add to my hair. I got the fro curls. While I do think that the fro kinks, I think it's called, might be a better match for my hair, I got the fro curls and I didn't realize until after, but since my hair is so voluminous, I think it will be a very good change to see something a bit on the smaller side in my head. So just to show you guys the consistency on the Cowash, it actually smells so amazing. Let me add. It smells like something to eat, and it smells like it has like a touch of peppermint or something somewhere in there. But it smells really good. To show you the consistency on the Cowash, that is the consistency there, and I'm going to rub it in. It's a very nice co-wash, just as it suggests. It's very conditioning. I haven't used it in my own hair, but it did really well with the bundles, which I'm assuming they were supposed to be used together, but it did really well with the bundles. It was, you know, it had a lot of slip. It was gliding really well for my fingers. Once I actually use it on my own hair, I'll better be able to say, you know, what my actual experience with it was. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep my hair and then come back and finish. Let's get into the clip-ins. Now I'm gonna be honest and say these clip-ins are not all the way dry as yet. This is what this looks like, and you can see the curl pattern is very like more on the looser side in comparison to my curl. I'm gonna show you guys the construction of the clip-ins. You can see it has one of these black clips, and then it is also double wefted. Can you see that? So there's one weft right here, and then there's another at the bottom. So that is double wefted. And this has the clips are actually very sturdy as well. I don't know if you can hear that clicking motion. When you're clipping these, you just want to make sure that you are not like, there's no tension on your scalp. Because what is the point of protective styling if you're just gonna be, you know, damaging your hair? So that's one clip in that's in, and I'm just gonna flip it to the other side, and then I'm gonna use another, and I'm not gonna put these super close to each other because, like I said, you know, once I know that I have enough, then I can always come back. But I'm just gonna, right now I'm just gonna put one on each braid. I did twist. Right, so that's 2. So I'm gonna pin this down. And this is what we are working with. It is so pretty. Okay guys, so this is the final look. You can see I was able to get this cute little bob type look, looking like a completely different person. I'm feeling myself though. This is a vibe. Definitely feeling myself. These clip-ins are the Fro Curls clip-ins from Heritage. In each clip-in set, you get 8 pieces of clip-ins. In my head right now, I have in 2 sets of the clip-ins, so that would be 16 pieces. And you can see that, you know, the clip-ins are very full. I would also say that the clip-ins are very sturdy and they're double wefted. The actual curl for this, I would say that they more so match the girls who have, the curly girls who have type 3 curls. I do have type 3 curls, 3C rather, but only in the back of my head. So what I would say is, if I was supposed to buy another set of these clip-ins, I would definitely try the Fro Kinks, or if you have more a texture like me, I would try the Fro Kinks, since that would be closer to your texture. But I'm still glad that it worked out for me that I got the Fro Curls and not the Fro Kinks, because I was able to try a new style and see the versatility of, you know, the clip-ins as well as my hair, and just switching the look up. I quite like this look and how it turned out. Another really cool thing that I quite like about Heritage is that once you purchase products from them, they donate products to women and children in need. And I quite like brands who give back to the community. It says a lot about, you know, their vision and their values. I quite like brands where their values and their morals are strong. So the fact that Heritage gives back to the community, I would definitely commend them on that. Also follow Heritage on their Instagram as well, which I will plug below for easy access. As we come to the end of the video, I just decided to insert some clips of when my hair was dry, just because it was a bit wet when I was recording the video. So this is what it looked like a few days later. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, drop some comments below. We should totally name this hair, so you guys can let me know what you think we should name the hair and drop them in the comments below. Bye guys.